The world of digital technology is growing day by day. In order to survive and have a competitive advantage in a cutting-edge market, every organization must have technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, and other technologies. Keeping this in mind, Strategic ERP continuously does research and development and focuses on improvement of technology in order to meet the requirements of modern age ERP. As the world of technology is growing, we have come up with new versions and new technologies at every phase. In the last 2 years, we came up with new versions like 17.2 and 18.2. 17.2 includes features like pending task at module tiles, dashboard view of all modules at one glance, ERP chat with internal ERP users, training videos, sub-module wise, Tally integration, MSP integration, IVR integration, mail and email integration. And the features included in the version 18.2 are multiple file upload with drag and drop, ERP voice commands, mobile voice commands, report management to create or edit report, land mapping report based on drawing, online Excel within ERP, dashboard reporting which will help you to self-design dashboard charts, natural language processing like Siri, graphical workflow view only. Our upcoming version 19.2 includes features like incoming mail integration, activity stream which will allow you user-wise activities, ERP updates which will help you to view ERP updates and new announcements, instant upload, graphical road work, interactive DPR, additional fields, ERP service ticket portal which will allow the customer to raise tickets on ERP product service related issues and queries at their fingertips, customer accounts which will help them track payments and pending invoices, new user interface for employee self-service. Let's go over some of the special features with examples. The very first example is that of incoming mail integration. Suppose your company has taken a subscription from MagicBricks. Now, when an inquiry is made by a customer through MagicBricks, it asks him to fill his details on magicbricks.com. As soon as he submits the details over there, MagicBricks will send his details in an email of that particular inquiry to your registered Gmail. Now, as soon as you receive the particular email, it will directly get auto-integrated with our ERP. Our next special feature is the activity stream. Now, what does activity stream refer to? We have a feature where there is a separate panel showing the client's information. Here, we can see the records or pending tasks. For example, whenever you want to open the activity stream, go to any one form, select the particular record on the right side, and you can open that activity stream panel. Here, you can see how many times it was edited, how many times it was altered, by whom and when. You can also send a mail and an SMS through that particular activity stream for that particular record. There is another special feature in the activities stream through which you can set a reminder for a particular record or task with the help of the activities stream. Our next feature is employee self-service with a graphical user interface update. What we have done here is that we have given a one-page access for everything including sign-in, sign-out, salary slips, leave applications, leave balance, claiming expenses, income tax, and viewing one's working status. In this particular single form, one can also view their notifications about new announcements made by their HOD or their HR representative. Our next feature is the ERP update. With the help of the ERP update, you can know what are the new features or enhancements that have been made in the ERP. With the help of the ERP update, you will come closer to new technologies which are developed by our ERP team. The features in the ERP update are that you can view the tool module-wise and see what updates need to be done in the ERP. As opposed to this, if you click the bell icon of that ERP update form, then you will get the list of the updates to be done onto your ERP. And what are the list of modules that you have recently updated. It would look the same as your Google Play Store. Our next feature is instant upload. Earlier in ERP, what we used to do was whenever we needed to upload too many documents or attachments, then it was done manually one by one. This was tedious and time consuming. Now, all attachments can be uploaded simultaneously and assigned accurately to their rightful owner or end user. Let's explain this using the example of Form 16. If I am an HR manager and I have downloaded all the Form 16s for each employee from the IT website and I want to upload it to each and every employee's ERP account respectively, then I will open the instant upload option, and it will attach all the Form 16 records from my computer to this form. Now, the main identifier of each Form 16 is one's PAN number. So I can select the PAN number field and I can upload and map multiple files through this form. The system will automatically identify with the data value of PAN number and it will upload their documents to the respective account. Our new feature is the user interface of the ERP store. The difference between the old and the new interface is that you can easily search the patch numbers, which was slightly cumbersome earlier. Patch numbers are nothing but tags for pieces of code that can enhance the look and performance of a certain feature in your ERP. The layout of this form is easy enough for you to understand. The list thus displayed helps you identify which patch number to pick in order to create a seamless enhanced function. Our next feature is graphical road work. For example, you are a construction company and you have taken a contract of constructing a road. So in a road, there are two sides, that is the left-hand side and the right-hand side. With the help of graphical road work, you can define activities separately of the right-hand side and the left-hand side. The activities and stages of both sides will be defined separately with the help of Graphical Report Master. You can define their activities and track the progress by tagging them with terms and colors such as yet to start in red, in progress in orange, and completed in green. Our next feature is Autodialer. In Autodialer, a user can assign multiple call leads to one single user. For that, we have to look up a user within a particular team. This search can be refined on the basis of the stage at which the call leads are segregated and the username that they are assigned to. This list of call leads is referred to as a roster in the ERP. As soon as we have defined the user, we can see his/her roster to modify the priority status of each call lead as per their deductions from previous conversations. Sometimes, call leads can be transferred from a team leader to a team member or from one team member to another team member. And at the top right corner of the page, there would be a dialer sign. As soon as the user clicks the dialer sign, the system will automatically dial all the leads one by one. So this will ease up their work and a user can dial n number of leads at one single click. Our next feature is interactive DPR, that is Daily Progress Report. Earlier in ERP, we used to track this DPR through our DPR form in project engineering, which was too lengthy and had a horizontal layout. But now, with interactive DPR, you can easily interact with the system and you can make an infographic progress upload of each and every activity. You can graphically view how much activity has been completed, that is by what percentage, and also by way of resource usage. You can also upload the images of each and every activity, which will indicate the visual progress. More features added in the 19.2 version are Internet of Things (IoT), Robotic Process Automation (RPA), AI automation, easier system interactions, bank integration, new user interface, chatbot, SAP integration, to-do task management, new improved customer app, and partner app. This is how we have grown version-wise in the last 2 years. Now, our target is to achieve 1,000+ customers in this financial year. We feel proud to announce that we have been felicitated as the best construction software of the year 2019 and the best PropTech solution of the year 2019. We are also a certified NASSCOM member, and in the year 2016, we have been awarded by the CBRE PropFair. Strategic ERP is a Mumbai-based company and it has its presence in various states across India and the global market as well. These are just some of our satisfied customers in India, and we are proud to serve them along with all the others. To know more details, visit our website www.strategicerp.com and stay tuned for our latest updates on ERP.